Hello everyone! Some pipettes have fixed volumes, but most have a volume range which the pipette can handle. Are you aware that the volume range of your pipette can have a very big impact on both accuracy and precision? Essentially, the closer your dispense volume is to the total volume of the pipette, the better your results will be. So, if you have a 100 microliter pipette, you shouldn't use it for 10 microliter dispenses if accuracy and precision are important. Ideally, you should work between 35 and 100% of the full volume of a pipette. Below 35%, the volume of dead air in the pipette becomes quite large and the risk of inaccurate and imprecise dispensing increases. Obviously, if you're not concerned with the results of your pipetting, feel free to pipette the entire range of your pipette's volume, but consider getting pipettes closer to your target volume if you really want to make an impact on your accuracy and precision. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you next time.